Shilpa. In this video today we'll talk about the first Chief Minister of Bengal, and that's Prafulla Chandra Ghosh. Prafulla Chandra Ghosh was actually born on 24th December 1891 in Dhaka in the family of Purna Chandra Ghosh and Vinodini Devi. Purna Chandra Ghosh and Vinodini Devi were actually very religious and simple person. Now moving on to his life, we say that Prafulla Chandra Ghosh was actually the first Chief Minister of West Bengal post-independence. He was the Chief Minister of Bengal from 15 August 1947 to 14 August 1947. His duration was not a very long duration. He just ruled in Bengal for just 1 year. But he again came back as the Chief Minister just for a period of 3 months on 2nd November 1967 to 20th February 1968. Now moving down to his academic life, we find that he was actually a brilliant student in his academics. He had actually graduated in double degrees with both MA and MSc, BA and BSc. After that, we see that he, after completing his studies, immediately joined the research in chemistry at Dhaka University. And in 1919, he joined the Presidency College as a demonstrator, the famous Presidency College from where most of the renowned persons have actually passed out. In 1920, if we see, he started to work as Calcutta Mint in Calcutta Mint as an ASA master, and he was the first Indian to be employed to that post at that time. And 1920, he was awarded doctorate in chemistry by Calcutta University. This was his academic. Now moving on to his political life, we see that when he was carrying out his education, he had a great interest in Swadeshi movement. Swadeshi movement was actually a movement that was carried out in Bengal, especially if we say, in order to annul the partition of Bengal. In 1906, both Swadeshi and boycott movement was actually going on in Bengal, and he had a quite interest in it. More than Swadeshi, he had an interest in Anushilan Samiti, in joining the Anushilan Samiti. Anushilan Samiti was actually a secret society of Bengal at that time, which was founded by Pramatanath Mitra and Satish Chandra Basu. Most of the youth were actually fascinated to this organization, which was founded in 1902. He joined it in 1909, but he left in quite a short time, and the main reason was that he was not liking the work that this organization was actually doing. He was actually making money through theft and then defending the same in the court, and he did not like this much, and so he quit this Samiti in 1913. Initially, he was actually not impressed by Gandhiji's ideology, but when he heard his speech in Dhaka, he was very much impressed and fascinated to him, and therefore he went and met him at Calcutta later. Now he wanted to do something for India, something for the country, and therefore he left his position at Calcutta Mint in order to work for the freedom struggle of the country. And later he worked as a freedom struggle with the other members like S.N. Banerjee and Subhash Chandra Bose, Basu, and therefore he contributed to India's freedom movement. Now moving to his family, we find that his great-granddaughter Priyanka Yoshikawa, who won the 2016 Miss World Japan contest. So this much only we get to know about his family at the end. Therefore, thank you so much.